Have you ever wondered what the journey to democracy looks like? Today, we delve into the heart of Zimbabwe, a nation on the cusp of transformation, grappling with the quest for fresh elections. Our story begins in the late summer of 2023, when Zimbabwe's opposition party, the Citizens Coalition for Change, rung the bell for change. This call was not a mere whisper in the wind, it was a resounding demand for fresh elections, hoping for an impartial spectator, the neighboring countries. The opposition refused to accept the re-election of President Emerson Mnangagwa and his ZANU-PF party, citing fraud and irregularities as the culprits behind their discontent. As we moved into the fall of 2023, the international observers added their voices to this chorus of concerns. They pointed out the intimidation and arrests of opposition figures as red flags in the electoral process. Their observations painted a picture of a nation at a crossroads, yearning for change, yet thwarted by challenges. By the winter of 2023, opposition leader Nelson Chamisa was considering taking the legal route to ensure a fair election. This was not just about winning a political battle, it was about securing the future of Zimbabwe, about making sure that every citizen's vote counts and democracy prevails. Fast forward to the present day, and the situation in Zimbabwe remains surprisingly calm. Despite the political turmoil, people are going about their daily activities, waiting in anticipation for what the future holds. To sum up, the call for fresh elections in Zimbabwe is a narrative of a nation's journey towards democracy. It's a tale of resilience, of an opposition party refusing to back down, of international observers highlighting electoral irregularities, and of a leader willing to take legal action for the sake of fairness. But most importantly, it's a story of the Zimbabwean people patiently going about their daily lives, hoping for a brighter, more democratic future. And as this story unfolds, the world watches, holding its breath, waiting to see what the next chapter in Zimbabwe's history will be.